Hello to all. Myself, Devendra Anat Itole, working as assistant professor in ENTC Engineering Department at AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today, we are going to study LED interfacing with LPC2148 in Keil and Proteus. Let us see in the Keil software. You have to first of all go into the project, create a new project, give the project file name, save it. Here, as LPC2148 microcontroller, you have to select, click on OK, then yes, then yes. As you can see in the project file window, target 1 is created. Right click on target 1, options for target 1, 12 megahertz by default selected. Go into the output option, create a hex file, click on OK. Create a new file, save it by giving the same name, the name which I have given for the project, led.c. Save it, save the file, the program which I written for the LED interfacing. Next step, you have to click on the plus sign of target one, then right click on the source group one, add existing files to source group one, select led.c and click on add, then close it. Just check whether in the source group one led.c is get added or not. If it is not added, then repeat the last step. Means again right click on source group one, add existing file led and add. Now let us see in the program. So first line, lpc21xx dot header file is get added. Then delay function we have declared here for giving the delay blinking of the LEDs. Then in the main function, as you can see here, pin cell 0 equals to 0x 8 times 0 is written. Pin cell 0 is of a 32-bit, so we have given the value in the 8 nibbles. It means configure the P0 as port 0.0 to 0.15 as a GPIO port. P 0.0 to P 0.15 as GPIO port and general purpose input output. So three pin cells are there: pin cell 0, pin cell 1 and pin cell 2. Here we are used here pin cell 0 only. Then IO DIR 0. So the LEDs interface with the P0.0 to 0.7 pin number of LPC2148. So to this LEDs only we have to make as an output port. So IODIR is used to configure the ports as a output port or the input port. So as we know that P0.0 to 0.7 is connected to the LEDs, so we have to configure that 0.0 to 0.7 as output port. So we have made as FF. The value is given to the IODIR0. As IODIR0 is also of 8-bit, so 0x 8 values we have passed. So out of that 8 values, 0.0 to 0.7 we have given a logic 1 and remaining we have kept as a logic 0 only. Okay, that means configure 0.0 to 0.7 as a output pins. Then while one loop forever for we have used. Then now we have to turn on the LEDs. So IO set 0 register we have to use, and the LEDs which is connected to P0.0.0 to 0.7, to that bits only we have to give the logic high. Remaining bits you have to make as a logic 0 only. Okay, so it means turn on the LEDs by setting P0.0 to 0.7 as a high. So it means it will turn on the LED. Then we have given the some delay, so the LED will remains for that much time. Then IO clear 0, it is used to turn off the LED. This register IO clear 0 register is used to turn off the LEDs. So the LEDs which you are going to turn off, that to that bits only you have to give the logic high. So as 0.0 to 0.7 is connected to LEDs, so we have made that bits only as a high, or that pins as a high. Remaining pins are kept as a 0. So turn off the LEDs by setting 0.0 to 0.7 as a low. Then again we have to keep that LED in the off condition, so we are given a delay. In delay function we have simply used a integer k. For loop we have applied for giving the delay k equals to 0, k is less than 1000, k plus plus. Once you have written this program, then translate it, build, rebuild. You have to check whether any error is occurred in the build output window or not. 0 error 0 we are getting. Whether he has created hex file or not, that you have to check. Created hex file. Now let us simulate this program in the Proteus software. As you can see in the Proteus, P0.0, 0.1, 0.2 till 0.7 is connected to the LEDs. So anode of each LED is connected to the respective pin numbers 0.0 to 0.7, and the cathode of each LED is connected to the ground. Okay. So whether your program is correct or not, or whether the LED will blink or not, that we're going to see on the Proteus. So to run the program, you just have to double click on this IC. After that, in the program file, you can see in the program file, you have to click on the folder. The hex file which is created, that hex file you have to find out. So led.hex, the file name which you have given, 12 megahertz we have kept as it is. Click on OK. Then you'll get here the run option. You just click on the run the simulation. Once you click on the run the simulation, as in the program 8 LEDs is connected to the P0.0 to 0.7, and delay also we have given. We have turn on and turn off the LEDs. So you can observe here a yellow LEDs, for the some time it turns on, for sometimes it turns off. So it means that the program which you have written is correct, and like this way we can interface LED with LPC2148 in Keil and Proteus. Thank you.